back with another one. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, MJ the Tech, as you all know. So today I'm gonna be doing a PCV on my brother's S55 M4. So he called me the other day. It's raining actually, so I'm not getting a proper chance to take a video outside. So I'm taking a video as I'm driving home. Called me the other day. He's like, yo, don't you wanna come record a song? Cause like my car is literally like whistling non-stop. It's going. I was like, hey, let's record, my brother. And then he called me. He's like, can you please come and assist me with my PCV to replace it? So I always watch a YouTube video. If I haven't watched a video, I'll just remember correctly who assisted me on YouTube, and then I'll tell all of you. But yeah, I'm heading home now to go and assist him do the PCV. So my phone is battery low. Let's hope I'll have much time. But stay tuned as I do my brother's PCV on his S55 M4. I've actually remembered who assisted me. It's Ivrin. I went and checked. Just search Ivrin if you need a better explanation. But I'm also gonna try my best to try and explain to you guys how to do a PCV on an S55 M4. So stay tuned as I do it. So last but not least, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Go ahead. I was talking to my brother, and then he said he thinks it's much easier if we start just by loosening the charge pipes and loosen them here and just move it a bit backwards and try to manipulate it. But if that doesn't work, it didn't work. But let's give it a try. Yeah, so we managed after removing both the charge pipes. So now we just have to crack this thing open and remove it, just like that. Now it's removed. Yeah, now it's out. Then we're gonna go ahead and just clean out and then install the new one. So as you all can see, it's out, and then we're gonna go ahead and try install the new one. So this is the old one. Yeah, you have to break it to be able to lift it up and release it. And then yeah, I'm gonna try and install the new one. Just gonna clean out the spring and then install the new one so it must stop whistling. So this one is the new one. As you all can see, it's not damaged. Just gotta get a bit of sealant there and just close it up and return the spring as well.
Here's the old one. The hole on the side there. The hole. That's why the car's doing it.
So I'm gonna give my brother the opportunities to do the honor to install it. So he's just going to apply a little bit of sealant. Just around the area, the circular part.
Manipulate. The
buttons are all on a sheet. Aina groove inethi nakayentu yaloka. Bengo jena. So now it's installed, as you all can see. There it is, the cylinder flush. So we're gonna leave it for roughly 45 minutes for letting it to dry, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. So you just basically remove the engine cover and the charge pipes there, all of them, and then that cover will allow you to lift, and then you just crack out the old one. You crack it out because it's also applied with some factory sealant. So yeah, we're just gonna wait 45 minutes and then go ahead and continue assembling, and then wait for the moment of truth. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the final thing, just to put back the engine cover.
Mtula yo clip out eh.
Yeah.
Yo cover nga ngumnisha ka. Oh.
Clip off.
I-clip nanga mrawo ngene zi clip.
They don't.
Oh, okay. They need to wash my engine, yes.
Yeah.
And we're done. Problem solving.
So yeah, it's just wiping down the engine cover because it's very dirty in here. But we are basically done, and it's like we were never there.
You too. L'origine go pisa so dio lo go miss. The video go do how long?
A few moments later.
So yeah, we did all that work basically. For that thing didn't work. We thought it was gonna work, but it's gonna need a tappet cover. So a complete tappet cover to solve the whistling noise. I know he was very disappointed with it, but then maybe I'll do the tappet cover if he does bring the car. But if he doesn't, then there won't be part 2 on that video, but we'll have something else that we're gonna do on the car because there's still a lot of things that we need to do on the car. So with that being said, thanks a lot for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video.